Greetings and welcome, my friends. Today, I want to talk about a topic that is near and dear to my heart. The exciting world of cryptocurrencies. You see, one of the greatest demonstrations of the power of the media and the American financial elites is their mass campaign to distract us and convince us that things are worse than they really are. But behind the scenes, the banks are making moves in the cryptocurrency market that cannot be ignored. Now, the crypto market is far less structured than the stock market. And the data on inflation and stock balances can often lead to contradictory conclusions. That's no doubt about where the stock market is really heading. But the crypto market, on the other hand, is still much like a game of Monopoly and is therefore much easier to interpret. And recent developments in this market, even in the midst of one of the worst bear markets in history, are so monumental that they cannot be hidden. Back in 2017, there was a bull market for cryptocurrencies in a time when there were almost zero institutional investments in the sector. But let's fast forward to now. In the midst of the crypto winter and the FTX and Sam Bankman controversy. And let me tell you, the institutional projects happening in the crypto space will blow your mind. Let's just take a look at some of the most recent developments. The 20 largest banks in America, with a total of $14.4 trillion in assets under management, have begun work to give their clients access to cryptocurrencies. J.P. Morgan, the largest bank in America, has just registered a brand called J.P. Morgan Wallet. Can you guess what that's for? Fidelity, the largest pension fund manager in the United States, has just opened a zero-cost platform for cryptocurrency trading within each of its 40 million customer accounts. BlackRock, the world's largest ETF provider with $10 trillion under management, is moving forward with plans to launch various types of crypto-linked ETFs. But here's the real kicker. At the heart of these projects is a megastructure being built by NY Mellon, a bank that manages the capital of 90 of the world's top 100 banks, totaling $47 trillion, or one-fifth of the world's entire wealth and more than double the total U.S. GDP. In October, BNY Mellon announced that it will offer cryptocurrency services to banks for the first time, opening the door for all major financial institutions in America to gain access to crypto with ease. And in the meantime, they're creating the necessary structures to assert and manage this monopoly. Now, the crypto market has few secrets and is very transparent. Everything that happens, for better or for worse, eventually comes to light. So what does all of this mean for the next bull market in cryptocurrencies? Well, there will likely be fewer exchanges and many more bank accounts where you can trade cryptocurrencies. But from a pricing perspective, this grand entrance of banks with the blessing of BNY Mellon will trigger a flow of capital like never before seen in previous bull markets. So my friends, I encourage you to keep an eye on the cryptocurrency market and these exciting developments in the coming months and years. The next bull market in cryptocurrencies will be one of the most memorable in history. And I don't want you to miss out on the opportunities that await. In conclusion, it's important to remember that investing can be a great way to grow your wealth over time. But it's not without its risks. By doing your research, diversifying your portfolio, and keeping a long-term perspective, you can increase your chances of success. However, it's important to note that none of the information presented here should be construed as investment advice. It's always a good idea to consult with a financial professional before making any investment decisions. Thank you and live with passion.